I've worked in several courts, and sometimes they verify the time frame.
You can overtalk me if you want to, but I got
I'm not trying to.
And always will have.
We go to Jonesboro, Georgia for an arraignment. 49-year-old Zakethia Merity has been charged with disorderly conduct and making terroristic threats. 4 years earlier, police say Merity, who now lives in Minnesota, was at the airport when she missed her flight. She then got into an altercation with an airline employee and allegedly threatened them. Police were called and Merity was arrested. Today, she's set to appear remotely before Judge Tammy Hayward to discuss next steps in the case. Merity is represented by defense attorney M.J. Tortorello. The prosecutor is Assistant Solicitor General Stephanie Bing.
Zakethia Yashim Merady. All right, I don't see Merity on the screen. Bench warrant, bond forfeiture.
When Merity fails to appear, the judge revokes her bond and issues a bench warrant for her arrest. But later, after the court has heard other cases, the prosecution has an update on the defendant.
Your Honor, I believe that Miss Merity has appeared on the Zoom. She's now here.
Yes. Hi. My thing said 11 o'clock. It's 11:06, so I logged in at 10:59.
No, I'll call the calendar then.
No, I
don't understand what you're saying, ma'am.
It's
you were late. That's what I'm saying.
How am I late when it started at 11 and I logged in at 10:59? I'm here in Minnesota. I'm on Central Standard Time.
Well, I'm on Eastern Standard Time.
I didn't know that. Y'all don't say that. In this notice, it says 11 a.m. So when someone sends me something that says 11 a.m., I'm taking it to be 11 a.m.
Hold on, Ms. Tortorello. Where is it located? Where'd it come from? Where's the courthouse? Look on the paperwork.
I don't know, ma'am.
Look on the paperwork. Look on the paperwork. Y'all gonna stop playing dumb with me. Look on the paperwork. What does it say?
It says court arrangement 11 a.m. 11/13.
What courthouse? You know the courthouse is in Georgia. Eastern Standard Time.
I would have never assumed that, ma'am. It wasn't trying to be disrespectful.
No, I'm not asking you to assume anything. I'm asking you to use your brain. If you're in Minnesota, but you got the ticket in Georgia, and the court is in Georgia, then Eastern Standard Time is what we're dealing with.
Okay, well, thank you for the lesson. I wouldn't have never known.
Well, that's sad.
I don't think so, ma'am. It would have said
that's elementary, ma'am.
I've worked in several courts, and sometimes they verify the time frame.
You can overtalk me if you want to, but I got
I'm not trying to.
And always will have.
Okay, Your Honor, I would need a conference with her.
I'm sure you will.
After Merity meets with her attorney, things seem to settle down.
Your Honor, for Miss Zakethia Merity, she's pleading not guilty and we're waiving formal arraignment.
Miss Merity, you are entering a plea of not guilty. Please keep in touch with your attorney. All of our cases are Eastern Standard Time, Miss Merity.
I apologize, ma'am. I apologize. I was not trying to be disrespectful.
At the time where you was located when the thing happened.
When you said it, I appreciated you clarifying. I'm like, oh, that does me.
Why is she telling me she was here? I was like, I'm looking at the screen. I know she wasn't here.
I really would have come at 10 o'clock if I had any idea that it was your time versus my time. I'm sorry.
I got you.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
You don't have a bench warrant. I erased it, so you're good. All right, so keep in touch with your attorney.
So Miss Chiara Tortellini, I'm sorry, what is her name? Tortelli? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to be disrespectful,
MJ is Tortorello.
The judge vacated the bench warrant, and Merity remains free on bond. She's entered a not guilty plea, and her case is pending.